In today's video, we are going to discuss important questions on business awareness. To get these important updates, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get daily updates. Today's first question. Kingfisher Airlines' first international flight was connecting with which two cities? Bangalore with London. Who provides assistance to small industries? SIDBI. Other than the government, which company has the highest share in State Bank of India? LIC. Amul related to what? White Revolution. Tata Group joined with which airlines? AirAsia. What was the amount of money involved in deal between RIL and Network 18? 4,000 crores. Amul set up a dairy worth 200 crores in which city? Varanasi. Flipkart is which kind of company? E-commerce. Where is the headquarters of the Tea Board of India situated? Kolkata. Which bank coined the term BRICS as a short form for the 5 countries Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa? Goldman Sachs. Which country is the multinational company Samsung originally from? South Korea. In which year was SpiceJet Airlines started? 2005. In terms of nominal GDP, which Indian state is the leader? Maharashtra. The youngest CEO in India is a resident of which city? Chennai. The phrase used by Adam Smith to define an economy's ability to correct itself is the invisible hand. Who is the chairman of Reliance Industries Limited? Mukesh Ambani. The World Future Energy Summit was organized in Abu Dhabi. Which is the tax that takes away a higher portion of one's income as the income rises? Progressive tax. Corporate tax is also known as company tax. Poverty line is also called as dollar a day line. In which Indian state did the Japanese company Suzuki recently pledge to invest around rupees 6,000 crores? Gujarat. Which famous car company has decided to shut down its Indian operations due to raising losses? General Motors. Who is the highest taxpayer of Jharkhand? MS Dhoni. What was the full form of Wipro when it was incorporated? Western India Palm Refined Oil. Which is the largest Indian company based on market capitalization? TCS. Which Indian state has the highest percentage of people under poverty line? Chhattisgarh. What was the price at which Microsoft recently acquired LinkedIn? $26.2 billion. India's largest oil and gas exploration company ONGC is classified as a Maharatna. In which year was the World Bank formed? 1944. How many quarters should a country's GDP decline for it to be officially categorized as recession? 2. Lifebuoy is a brand of soap marketed by which company? Unilever. The contribution to the Indian GDP is the highest from which sector? Services. To qualify for a golden handshake, the person must certainly be a or an ex-employee. What is the name of the smart car launched by Tata Motors? Nano. Which is the largest Indian company based on market capitalization? Reliance. India's largest oil and gas exploration company, ONGC, is classified as Maharatna. Making tomorrow brighter is the slogan of which company? ONGC. When demand for a product decreases and the supply increases, the price of the product decreases. Entertainment tax on movies is a tax collected by state government. Where is the head office of the Hindu English daily newspaper located? Chennai. In which city are the headquarters of International Monetary Fund? Washington, D.C. Which cost is related to marginal cost? Variable cost. Who is the present CEO and president of the financial service company MasterCard? Ajay Pal Singh Banga. Tata Iron and Steel Company was incorporated in 1907. Saffola is one of the leading brands that encourage you to live healthier. It has edible oils, oats, masala oats and salt. Saffola is owned by Marico. Which company makes the fighter aircraft Rafale? Dassault Aviation. What does the letter C denote in the term CSR as seen frequently in financial newspapers? Corporate. Xiaomi tied up with Foxconn to establish its plant in which state? Andhra Pradesh. Which company has sponsored for coins bearing Sachin Tendulkar? East India Company. Last question of the day. The product Fair and Lovely is related to HUL, Hindustan Unilever Limited. We will be back with more important videos like this. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get daily updates. Thank you.